Hey everybody, Mr. Flanders here. And let's go ahead and jump into worksheet 55 from the story this morning. Let's start by writing our names at the top of the paper. All right. Now, it's going to be business as usual with this worksheet, just a friendly reminder. The expectation is now, as we're going through the worksheet, we are circling the correct choices, and then at the end of the video, you're going to go through and write your answer on the line. Because this worksheet is no longer just about making sure the answer is correct, we're also practicing spelling our words correctly and working on neat handwriting. All right? With all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and look at question 1. What was hanging on the wall inside the house? A hound, a tree, a pouch, or a pooch? What was hanging on the wall inside the house? A hound, a tree, a pouch, or a pooch? Take a second and circle the correct answer. Number 2. What was inside that pouch? A house, an elf, a hound, or an eel? What was inside that pouch? A house, an elf, a hound, or an eel? Remember, you're just circling the answer for now. You'll write it in later. Number 3. What did the girl's dog say when the elf ran around the room? Did it say who? Did it say now? Did it say ow? Or did it say grrr? What did the girl's dog say when the elf ran around the room? Who, now, ow, or grrr? Circle the correct answer, please. Number 4. What did the elf give the girl? What did the elf give the girl? When he came out of the pouch, or a kiss? What did the elf give the girl? When he came out of the pouch, or a kiss? Think about which answer makes the most sense. Think about what happened in the story. Then number 5. He told her, when you are good, the pouch will be blank. Will it be fat, bad, sick, or good? He told her, when you are good, the pouch will be fat, bad, sick, or good. What is the correct answer? Take a second and circle it, please. And as usual lately, the second half of our worksheet has a sentence that we need to read, and we have some directions to follow for it. The sentence says, "Why are you crying?" Why are you crying? Number 1 says make a circle over the word why. So up here in the sentence, you need to find the word why and circle it. Number 2 says make a box over the word you. Make a box over the word you. And then number 3, make a line under the word are. Make a line under the word are. So just to recap, number 1 says to make a circle over the word Y. Number 2 says to make a box over the word you. Number 3 says make a line under the word are. While you're finishing that up, I'm going to flip over to side 2. And on side 2, we have a small story we're going to be reading. I will give you a moment to write in some answers. There is only one question that has it where you can circle the answer before you write it in. Okay? Let's go ahead and take a look at our story. A bug and a dog sat by the side of the road. The bug said, "I do not like to walk. How can I get to the lake?" The dog said, "Hop on my back. I will take you to the lake." So the dog took the bug to the lake. So let's go over it again. A bug and a dog sat by the side of the road. The bug said, "I do not like to walk. How can I get to the lake?" The dog said, "Hop on my back. I will take you to the lake." So the dog took the bug to the lake. Question 1. Who sat by the side of the road? A blank and a blank. Think about what the story says at the beginning. If you need to, you can go through the passage and circle words so you know how to spell them. But number 1 does ask, who sat by the side of the road? A blank and a blank. Remember, if you need to pause the video so you can take an extra second to finish writing, that is okay. We're going to move on in 10 more seconds. Okay, number 2. Did the bug like to walk? Did the bug like to walk? This is going to be a yes or no question. Think about what it says up here in this story. Did the bug like to walk? Take 5 more seconds and write yes or no. Number 3. Where did the bug want to go? Down here, I want you to only circle which answer you think is correct. You don't need to worry about writing it in right now. Write it in at the end. So where did the bug want to go? To the ship, to the log, or to the lake? Where did the bug want to go? To the ship, to the log, to the lake? Circle that answer, and we're going to go ahead and move on. Number 4. Who took the bug to the lake? Who took the bug to the lake? There were only 2 characters in this whole story. So think about if the bug wanted to go to the lake, who took him there? Write the answer on this line. And then lastly, we're going to go ahead and jump to the second half of our page, and then we're going to be done. The second half of our page is all about following directions again. We've got two shapes here. Number one says to make a B over the box. So we're going to find the box. We're going to make a B over it. Number two says, make the word over under the box. Ooh, that's tricky. So number two says, make the word over under the box. So you're going to look under the box and write the word over. And then it says, make the word under over the circle. So you're going to make the word under over the circle. So I'm going to find the circle. Over would be on top. You're going to write the word under there. And as you are finishing that up, my friends, this is just a reminder that once you are done, you need to go back through and write in those answers that you might have missed on side 1. As always, if you have questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Otherwise, I will catch you in our next lesson later. Bye, everybody.